Samsung is once again set to shake up the foldable phone market with its upcoming Galaxy Z Flip 7. Just yesterday, a major leak from OnLeaks revealed the phone's design, taking the tech world by surprise. According to the leak, the Galaxy Z Flip 7 will feature a cover display that spans the entire upper portion of the device, seamlessly integrating with the rear cameras. This design is similar to what we've seen on the Motorola Razr 50 Ultra, but until now, details about the exact size of the display were unknown. That changed today, thanks to industry analyst Ross Young, who confirmed that the outer display will measure 4.05 inches, a 19% increase from the 3.4-inch display on the Galaxy Z Flip 6. With this upgrade, the Flip 7 now holds the title for the largest cover display ever seen on a clamshell foldable, surpassing even the Motorola Razr 50 Ultra. Earlier this week, leaks from MLeaks and Android headlines suggested that the Flip 7 would have a design nearly identical to the Flip 6, disappointing fans hoping for a major redesign. However, just a day later, a revised version of the design surfaced, confirming that Samsung is indeed making big changes by introducing a full-cover display. Beyond just aesthetics, the Galaxy Z Flip 7 is expected to come with significant hardware upgrades. Leaks suggest it will be powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 Elite Edition, ensuring top-tier performance. Additionally, the phone is rumored to feature a 4,300 mAh battery, a notable increase from the Flip 6. These improvements, along with the expanded cover display, could make the Flip 7 the most feature-packed clamshell foldable in Samsung's lineup. Samsung's next foldable, the Galaxy Z Fold 7. While Samsung is making big strides with the Flip 7, there's also buzz around its other foldable, the Galaxy Z Fold 7. Leaked images appear to show a side-by-side comparison of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and what is believed to be a Fold 7 prototype. Samsung has been facing stiff competition from Chinese brands, which have been releasing sleeker and more refined designs. In response, the South Korean tech giant seems to be stepping up its game. At Mobile World Congress, MWC, Samsung showcased a mystery foldable alongside the Galaxy Z Fold 6. While the company never explicitly confirmed that this device was the Fold 7, industry insiders believe it was an early version of the upcoming model. The most notable feature of this foldable was its nearly creaseless display. Foldable screens have always had visible creases due to their complex design, but Samsung seems to have significantly reduced this issue. The crease on this prototype was barely noticeable, marking a major improvement over previous generations. However, just because Samsung showcased this new technology doesn't necessarily mean it's ready for commercial production. Still, it's a step in the right direction, giving users more functionality without having to fully unfold their device. The Fold 7's potential improvements in design and display quality could help Samsung maintain its dominance in the foldable market. As we get closer to the official launch, more details are expected to emerge. Samsung Galaxy S25 series, a new era of AI-powered smartphones. Samsung has also officially unveiled the Galaxy S25 series, featuring the Galaxy S25, Galaxy S25 Plus, and Galaxy S25 Ultra. Just hours before the Galaxy Unpacked event, leaked retail box images showcased the sleek packaging of the lineup. The boxes are thin and do not include an in-box charger, continuing Samsung's commitment to reducing packaging waste. Among the color options, the Galaxy S25 comes in refined gray, the S25 Plus in dark blue, and the S25 Ultra in a premium titanium ice blue finish. The Ultra model retains the S Pen slot while adopting rounded edges for improved grip, performance, and hardware upgrades. Under the hood, all models are powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 Elite Edition, a custom overclock version for Samsung devices. The base Galaxy S25 model starts with 128 GB of storage, which may seem modest, but Samsung compensates with 12 GB of RAM across all base models. For storage, the lineup offers 256 GB as standard, with 512 GB variants available for users needing extra space. Hands-on images have revealed a redesigned, slimmer retail box, emphasizing premium build quality and camera design, color variants, and pricing. The Galaxy S25 series is available in multiple colors. S25, Mint and Silver Shadow. S25 Plus, Navy Blue. S25 Ultra, Titanium Gray. Additionally, Samsung's online exclusive colors include blue, black, coral red, and pink gold. Despite rising production costs and exchange rate fluctuations, Samsung has kept the base prices steady compared to the Galaxy S24 series, which is a win for consumers. Here's a pricing breakdown for the 256GB base models.